The phone not available error is one of the most persistent issues affecting Jeep Uconnect systems. This error indicates a failure to establish or maintain a Bluetooth connection with your mobile device. When this error occurs, you'll see messages like this on your Uconnect display, preventing normal phone connectivity. This issue affects Jeep vehicles from 2013 to 2024, specifically those equipped with Uconnect 4, 4C Nav, and 5 systems. The most commonly affected models include Grand Cherokee, Wrangler, Compass, and Cherokee. When this error occurs, several key functions become unavailable. You'll lose hands-free calling capabilities, text message integration, Bluetooth audio streaming, and Android Auto or Apple CarPlay functionality. The error stems from several potential root causes. Software conflicts between Uconnect firmware and smartphone operating systems are the most common culprit, especially after major iOS or Android updates. Other causes include Bluetooth module hardware failures, corrupted pairing data stored in the system, memory overflow from too many cached connections, and physical antenna issues. Stellantis, the parent company of Jeep, has acknowledged this widespread issue and released some software updates to address compatibility problems with newer smartphone operating systems. However, a universal fix is still in development. Understanding these root causes is the first step toward resolving the phone not available error. In the next section, we'll explore step-by-step troubleshooting methods to get your phone connected again. When facing the Uconnect phone not available error, follow this systematic troubleshooting approach. We'll start with simple solutions and progress to more advanced fixes if needed. Level 1, Basic Solutions. Start with a soft reset by holding the volume and tuner knobs simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. This simple step resolves about 45 to 50% of connectivity issues. If the soft reset doesn't work, try deleting and repairing your device. Remove the phone from Uconnect's paired devices list, clear your phone's Bluetooth cache, then establish a fresh pairing connection. Level 2, Intermediate Solutions. For persistent issues, try a hard reset by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 30 seconds. This clears the system memory and resolves deeper software conflicts. You can also perform a factory reset through the Uconnect Settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Factory Reset. Note that this will erase all your personalized settings. Always ensure your Uconnect software is up to date. Visit uconnect.com for the latest firmware or check for over-the-air updates if your system supports them. Software updates resolve many compatibility issues. Level 3, Advanced Solutions. If basic and intermediate solutions fail, professional intervention may be required. A dealer software flash costs $150 to $300 with a 70 to 80% success rate. Prevention is key to avoiding future issues. Regularly update both your Uconnect and smartphone software, limit paired devices to 3 to 5 maximum, and perform monthly system resets to clear cache and maintain optimal performance.